The comeback of a classic. The legendary Yamaha RX 100 has made its grand return in 2025, blending nostalgia with modern performance. This iconic machine, once the king of the streets, is back with a powerful new avatar that captures the soul of the original while meeting today's standards. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 RX 100 now features a 125 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, fuel-injected engine that delivers around 15 horsepower. While the two-stroke roar is gone, Yamaha has tuned the exhaust note to bring back that classic RX 100 feel. The bike's lightweight frame ensures quick acceleration and agile handling, perfect for urban riders and enthusiasts alike. Design and styling. Yamaha has retained a vintage charm with its round headlamp, chrome detailing, and classic fuel tank design. However, the new RX 100 also introduces LED lighting, a digital instrument cluster, and alloy wheels for a modern touch. It's a perfect mix of retro appeal and futuristic design. Features and technology. The 2025 RX 100 comes equipped with advanced features like Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and single-channel ABS. The suspension setup has been refined for improved comfort, making it ideal for both city rides and weekend getaways. Price and launch. Expected to be priced around 1.4 lakh INR, ex-showroom, the Yamaha RX 100, 2025, will be available in multiple color options, including the iconic red and black combinations. Launches are expected soon in major markets across Asia and beyond. Conclusion: the legend reborn. Yamaha has not just revived a motorcycle, it has revived an emotion. The RX 100, 2025, is here to reignite the passion of a generation that grew up with its unmistakable charm and performance. This is Bike Zone, bringing you the latest from the world of bikes. Stay tuned for more updates and reviews.